I'm Damon Hatfield and this is IGN News. It was just a week ago that Disney acquired Lucasfilm and the new Star Wars trilogy was announced. Things seem to be moving pretty quickly since then. Case in point, Michael Arndt, who was just revealed yesterday to be writing a treatment for the trilogy, has now been confirmed to be penning the screenplay for Star Wars Episode VII as well. Plus, pre-production on the film has begun. Here's the official word from StarWars.com. As pre-production of Star Wars Episode VII begins, Lucasfilm has confirmed that award-winning writer Michael Arndt will write the screenplay for the new Star Wars film. Kathleen Kennedy and George Lucas have begun story conferences with Arndt. Arndt won an Academy Award for Best Original Screenplay for writing Little Miss Sunshine in 2006 and was nominated for Best Adapted Screenplay for writing Toy Story 3 in 2010. So while things are still up in the air with the director and cast, at least we know who is writing the new Star Wars. I'm sure we'll have more Star Wars Episode VII news tomorrow, so stay tuned to IGN.